So I wanted to give you an overview of what Applied AI Workshop is all about. So first let's understand what is the objective of this workshop. The objective of this workshop is to give all of the workshop participants a flavor of what real world machine learning and artificial intelligence looks like. Right? So within this whole workshop itself takes a few hours of your time, but within these few hours you'll get a flavor. Of course, I'm not saying that you'll become an expert in machine learning and AI. That takes months of hard work and hours of effort. While in this case, you'll get a flavor. You'll understand what is involved in solving a real world problem using machine learning and AI. And in this course, we actually solve a real world problem. And the problem that we solve is of recommending similar products on e-commerce websites. So on e-commerce websites like Amazon.com or Flipkart, what you would have noticed is if you're on a product page, it shows similar products below for you on the same page. These are products which are similar to the actual product page that you're on, right? So I'll explain this problem in more full detail with examples in the next video. Right now, it's all about given a product, it tries to recommend similar products, and we work on real world data. We actually solve all of this problem, we solve all of this workshop using real world data. And we also show you how this data has been acquired from Amazon.com. This is actual data from Amazon.com. And in this workshop, you'll learn some basics. You'll learn some very, very basics of linear algebra, which is a sub-area of applied mathematics, which is used extensively in machine learning. You'll learn a little bit about how to process and how to use text for finding similar products. And you'll also use some concepts from computer vision. Computer vision is basically about using images in machine learning and artificial intelligence. So we will learn techniques in computer vision to see how we can find images which are similar to a given product. And we try to make this course very, very easy and simple to follow and understand. So we chose to make this whole workshop easy and simple so that most students who are interested in understanding what machine learning and AI is all about can get a good flavor and understand what it is. And hence, this course is not very rigorous. Which means it's not very mathematically heavy or anything like that. We try to keep it simple so that more students can benefit from this workshop. Now, some of the solutions that we build. So some of the algorithms that we will use in this workshop are simplified but similar to real world solutions. They're not exactly same as real world solutions, because real world solutions building a real world solution takes months of effort of teams of 5 to 10 scientists and engineers. Right now, what we learn in this workshop is a simplified version, but it's very, very similar to the real world solutions. We'll even explain how some of the solutions that we build can be combined together to build a real world solution. And all of this course is done in Python. You might wonder, why are we not doing it in C, C++, or Java that most students might already be aware of? So the reason we're doing it in Python is because Python has lots of libraries and packages and modules which are very well tuned for machine learning applications. So there are a lot of predefined libraries. There are a lot of packages that are already existing in Python for machine learning and AI. And reusing them makes the code much more simple and elegant. Those people who do not know Python, we even have some videos explaining some basics of Python that are needed for this workshop, right? But for those of you who already know Python to some extent, these videos are optional. But we put in some videos. All of that is free of cost, by the way. So all of these Python videos are meant so that you get a flavor of how to use Python, how to even get ahead with Python. So those students who think that they don't know Python, how do I get started with this workshop? It's perfectly okay. You can watch some of these optional videos that we have for Python, and you'll get a good understanding of how to use Python for machine learning and AI. At the end of this workshop, we have an exercise that we give to all of our workshop participants. And in this workshop, what we solve is a simple extension, right? There is a simple problem, which is an extension to the solutions and algorithms that we learn in this workshop. It's a very, very simple extension. So anybody who has gone through the whole workshop should be able to solve this exercise in 1 hour. Typically most of our workshop participants solve this exercise within 1 hour. So I strongly recommend you to finish this exercise solve this exercise and submit the code to team@appliedaicourse.com. Once we receive your solution code at team@appliedaicourse, we will send you the workshop completion certificate, because at the end of it, when you submit your code, you've successfully completed the whole workshop. So those of you who think that this workshop is too small for you, and if you're seriously considering learning machine learning in full depth and in full rigor, right, I recommend you go to our website, which is appliedaicourse.com, and there is actually a course on our website called Applied AI Course, which has almost 140 plus hours of content, explaining about 30 plus machine learning techniques. This is a full-fledged course. While the workshop is to give you a flavor, the Applied AI course is to teach you all of the key and important machine learning algorithms, so that you'll be able to apply AI and machine learning algorithms to a wide spectrum of problems.